Hey guys, I've got something so exciting to share with you today. If you're someone who struggles with sleep, I found the perfect solution that could change the way you rest. Let's talk about sleep. This all-natural sleep aid has been a game changer for me. You know how we all have those nights where we toss and turn, unable to get enough rest? Well, I've been using sleep for a while now, and I can confidently say it's helped me fall asleep faster and wake up feeling truly refreshed. No more grogginess or that sleepy feeling lingering throughout the day. What I love most about it is how natural it is. No harsh chemicals, no high doses of melatonin that make you feel out of control. Sleep uses plant-based ingredients that have been scientifically researched. It's truly amazing to see a product that works with your body's natural sleep rhythm. After using it consistently, I've noticed my sleep quality has improved dramatically. I actually get that deep, restorative sleep we all need but rarely get. My mood is better, I feel more energized, and even my focus during the day has been sharper. It's like my whole sleep architecture has reset itself, and I'm finally waking up like a new person. One thing I do want to mention is that it's 100% natural and gluten-free. So, if you're someone with dietary restrictions or sensitivity to certain ingredients, this is perfect for you. Plus, it's made in the USA and crafted in an FDA-approved facility, so you can trust its quality. It's not just about getting to sleep, it's about feeling good when you wake up too. Whether you're struggling with stress, anxiety, or just inconsistent sleep patterns, this product has truly been a lifesaver. So, if you're looking to improve your sleep, feel more energized, and wake up actually refreshed, definitely give sleep a try. I can't recommend it enough, and I've been loving my results. And, as always, check out the link in the description to learn more or grab your own bottle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more product reviews and tips on feeling your best.